So, what are the dental causes of a sunken and hollow cheeks or a sunken face? This is one of the common questions that is getting asked in my office. Hey doc, if I lose my teeth, is that going to cause a sunken face? Absolutely yes, is the answer. So, what are the dental problems associated with, or what are the dental causes of the sunken face or the hollow cheeks or the aging appearance? And you can see that this right here, this is a woman who has lost her teeth, and you can see the sunken face and the hollow cheeks and the aging appearance. And what you may not know is this is because of the teeth. So think about this. This is the jawbone right here, and then you have the jawbone and the outside skin over the jawbone. And if you lose teeth, and that is going to cause some problems with the jawbone. That is what is going to cause the sunken and the aging and the hollow appearance. So why does it happen? So simple thing is, what you may not know, the tooth loss causes bone loss. When you lose bone, the bone loss causes the bone shrinkage. When you have bone shrinkage, that causes the face sinking. It is as simple as that. So what can you do as a patient to prevent the hollow, sunken, and the aging appearance? So the simple solutions that there are, first thing is to prevent any type of tooth loss. Simple thing. You just have to go to the dentist and keep following the recommendations to prevent any type of tooth loss. And the second thing is, if you end up losing the tooth, make sure that you are going to have a tooth replacement. The tooth replacement can be anywhere in the form of a simple partial denture, or it could be a bridge type restoration. Although it is not highly recommended, because you may still continue to have some bone loss that may still end up causing the sunken, aging, and hollow appearance, and it is temporary, so it is a temporary solution. However, if you're really looking for a permanent solution to prevent all these problems, you should really consider getting dental implants, just like you see in this picture. The dental implants simply help you to keep not only the bone, but also helps you with the sunken, hollow, and the aging appearance. So next time when you're at your dentist, talk to them about how you can get some help for the problems we talked about here.